Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on the Uber app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your name. Maybe you got married and you want to go ahead and change it. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Uber app. Next, click on your account on the bottom right-hand corner. Then click on the upper right-hand corner, your profile photo. Then click on personal info. Then click on name. And then on this page here is where you can change your first name and your last name, and there you have it. Afterwards, click on update, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your name on the Uber app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.